Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we check if an array of integers represents a strictly increasing or strictly decreasing sequence. Let's dive in. Our task is to validate if a sequence is strictly monotonic, which is either increasing or decreasing. For example, in the array of 1, 2, 3, it is increasing, while the array of 3, 2, 1 is decreasing. 1, 2, 2, however, is not strictly monotonic because it has equal adjacent values. The program first determines the direction of the sequence by calculating the difference between the first two elements. It then checks if each subsequent difference is consistent with this direction. If not, the sequence is not monotonic. Here's how it works. The program processes the array in 4 steps. First, it handles trivial cases like single element arrays. Then, it determines the sequences the direction, and validates all adjacent pairs for consistency. In these examples, the sequences 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1 are strictly monotonic, so the output is true. However, the sequence of 1, 2, 2 has a violation, so the output is false. The EA6 version uses the every method for concise validation. It simplifies the logic by directly checking each pair of elements. Edge cases include single element arrays, which are trivially monotonic, and constant arrays, which are not strictly monotonic. An empty array could be handled as invalid or trivially monotonic. In summary, this program efficiently checks if a sequence is strictly monotonic by comparing them to adjacent elements. It ensures accurate results for all valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.